This morning my wife dropped me off at work and she didn't think I was gonna find this, but if there's something different in the car, I'll know what it is. She got me this thing. I've never had a drone before, and I think these are kind of the cheap ones, but you know what, I'm actually pretty darn excited. Gonna open her up, charge it up, and see what it does. Probably run it around for lunch and see what she does. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. Stay tuned. I'll put some more videos up here in just a little bit. So let's open her up. All right, so as soon as you take the cover off, you know, we get this. There's really, it don't look like there's much assembly to it. Just these things got to clip on the propellers here. You got the remote, the helmet deal. Want to see what that's all about. And whatever's back here, probably the battery and stuff. So it's strapped on there pretty good. It's not really going anywhere, so that's good, I guess, for packaging and stuff. So I'm not much of a reader. Now, should I really read the instructions? Nah. Let's just skip right through that. I'm gonna go through and cut these off, get this opened up, and get her charged. I think I'm gonna name her, well, it's already got her name, but I think I'm gonna name her Betty. It may be a boy, but I think Betty sounds a lot better than, you know, Sky, whatever this thing is. Sky Viper. So Betty's gonna be her name. First test run, it was a total fail. I started up at work, and I shouldn't have done that because I don't know, first time flying it, you know, it should be in a park or a field or somewhere, and I got carried away. You know, thank goodness that there wasn't much traffic down the main road there, but it actually ended up right in the medium there, and yeah, luckily there was not much traffic coming through there, so that's a good thing. Yeah. Here's the second time flying it, second time ever. I came home for lunch. It was actually kind of windy, so I made that mistake too. As soon as I took off, it poof, right into the tree. I was like, darn it. So, and you know, once it's cut up in the tree, and maybe I just had it in auto launch, but the blades or the propellers wouldn't shut off, even if I pressed the controller down. It just kept on running. So I mean, no big deal, you know. I even tried shutting off the control, and the thing was still running. I had to climb up on the pickup. I thought I wasn't going to be able to get it. I thought I had to go get my ladder to get it, but I was able to shake the branch and get it down. So I mean, that was a good thing there. So and then, since I didn't get off of work till it was dark, it was kind of hard for me to fly it. I did do a few runs inside the house. You can see it here shortly. But you know, these things are actually kind of hard to control. You know, and like I said at the beginning of the video, maybe because it's one of the cheaper ones, but you know, it's fun. The flying time is not that long. You know, I'm thinking I'm gonna have to get I'm gonna have to get either a couple of more batteries and get them charged up. That way, when I'm outside trying to fly it, I don't have to come back inside the house and charge the batteries. But I think that'd make it a lot easier, and it'd be lots of fun to have extra batteries. That way, as soon as the remote starts beeping, you can just switch it out quick and keep on flying, because this thing's actually lots of fun. A little bit hard to control, but lots of fun.